everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is a bit special. I'll be actually doing a comparison of the Apple AirPods Gen 2 wireless earbuds, or rather wireless earphones, and I'll be comparing the microphone quality with the rest of the wireless earbuds which I've actually tested over the past 1 year. Now, why am I doing this? The thing is that this wireless earbuds or wireless earphone, the Apple AirPods Gen 2, they are pretty expensive. I think in Singapore it costs like, let me just do a check. Apple AirPods Gen 2. Wow. In the Apple Store. Alright, from what I know, they cost around 240 Singapore dollars, but I think but the thing is that they cost around $240. That's a lot of money. And the thing is that, why am I doing this comparison video is that the COVID-19 pandemic is still happening around the world, and I'm pretty sure some of you who are actually watching my video, you're still working from home, you're not able to go to the office, or you're still studying from home, you're not able to go to school, and you need to do a lot of voice calls. You need to do a lot of phone calls, you have a lot of Zoom and this kind of stuff. You need to be constantly talking, and you want to actually decide to actually invest in a good pair of wireless earbuds, to do all this kind of phone conversation, etc., but you do not want to be breaking the bank. Alright, so the next couple of sections in terms of the microphone quality comparison, I'll be breaking it down into the 4 main sections. The first one is I'll be doing the comparison showing the microphone quality in a quiet environment, like you're in a house or in a room. That'll be the first category. The second category would be if you to actually showcase the microphone quality in a coffee shop or in a cafe. The next one would be showing the microphone quality and the comparison in a shopping mall, like you're walking around, you want to have a conversation while you're walking around the mall, or you're walking along a noisy environment. And the last one, of course, the most important, is to show the microphone quality via Zoom, the comparison. Alright, so don't forget to put on your headphones.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods 2nd generation. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods 2nd generation. I am currently walking along a busy road. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Basis WM01 wireless earbud. This is a mic test on the Basis WM01 wireless earbud. I'm actually walking along the street right now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Basis W3 wireless earbud. I'm currently walking along a busy road, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Mic test on the AirPods 3. This is a mic test on the AirPods 3. I'm currently walking outside with mask on. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Test. Touch the Pro. busy road now with some wind. Might have to be fast to slow. Stepping on busy road with some wind blown at me. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Teltronic Sound Liberty 77. This is a mic test on the Teltronic Sound Liberty 77. I'm currently walking along the road. I'm currently walking along the road with mask on. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M-PAL M-Dot wireless earbud. I'm currently walking along a busy road. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is how your voice will sound like on the AirPods Gen 2. I'm currently in the cafe, so this is how your voice quality will sound like if you're trying to talk in a cafe. This is how your voice will sound like on the AirPods Gen 2. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 This is a mic test on the Basis WN01. I'm currently in the cafe. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is a mic test on the Basis Encore W3 wireless earbud. This is a mic test on the Basis Encore W3 wireless earbud. I'm currently in the coffee shop, so let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 This is a mic test on the Redmi AirDots 3. Mic test on the Redmi AirDots 3. I'm currently in the cafe right now. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. I'm currently in a coffee shop with transparency mode. I'm currently in a coffee shop with transparency mode. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the Teltronic Sound Liberty 77. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm currently in the cafe. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 This is a mic test on the M-PAL M-Dot wireless earbud. I'm currently in a cafe, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is a mic test on the AirPods Gen 2 via Zoom using the M1 MacBook Air. This is a mic test on the AirPods Gen 2 via Zoom using the M1 MacBook Air. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 This is a mic test on the Basis WN01 wireless earbud via Zoom. This is a mic test on the Basis WM01 wireless earbud via Zoom. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 2, 3. So this is how your voice will sound like on the W3 wireless earbud via Zoom. So what do you think of the voice quality? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is how your voice will sound like on the Redmi AirDots 3. This is how your voice will sound like on the Redmi AirDots 3 via Zoom. Let me know how you think about the voice quality through Zoom using the AirDots 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is how your voice will sound like via the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. This is how your voice will sound like via the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. I'm actually currently using Zoom. So let me know how you think about the voice quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 This is a mic test on the Sound Liberty 77 via Zoom with mask off. This is a mic test on the Sound Liberty 77 via Zoom with mask off. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, I'm at mic test on the MPOW M Dot wireless earbud. I'm actually doing a mic test on the MPOW M Dot wireless earbud. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so at the end of the day, it comes the question is, should you be getting the Apple AirPods Gen 2? Well, the thing is, I would say it comes with two main areas of consideration. The first one is, if you're able to spend that much money on the Apple AirPods, are you an iPhone user? I mean, like for me, I have the MacBook Air, I have the iPhone 12. For me, I don't see a need to get the Apple AirPods because I don't see them very useful in the entire ecosystem as compared to the iPhone and the MacBook. The other concern would be, of course, in terms of, do you really want to, do you personally see that there's a need to drop that much money? You know, to drop so much for a pair of wireless earbuds which are very basic. Very, very basic. Alright, so these are the things that you might want to consider. Alright. And of course, for the wireless earbuds which I actually featured in this video, I will actually include the link below so that you can actually check out the full review which I did. That's all the time we have. This is actually my personal coverage of the Apple AirPods versus the rest of the wireless earbuds in terms of the microphone quality. If it helped you, it'd be great if you could actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, if you have friends who are actually considering and comparing all these earbuds, feel free to share the video with them. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!